If you're over the age of 60 and losing muscle despite protein or bone broth, listen closely. You're not just aging, you're battling sarcopenia, the silent muscle-stealing condition. But here's the shocker. Your body's muscle-building switch isn't broken, just turned off, and one forgotten food can flip it back on fast. It's not bone broth, it's not protein powder. In fact, it's likely already in your kitchen. Let's start with the truth about bone broth. No one tells you. The bone broth problem. Bone broth has long been marketed as a miracle food for muscle and joint recovery. You've probably heard claims that it can rebuild strength, restore cartilage, and even reverse aging. But the truth is far less impressive. Most people don't realize that bone broth simply doesn't have enough of the right type of collagen or amino acids to trigger real muscle growth, especially once you're over 60. Your body needs a precise balance of amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline to rebuild damaged muscle fibers and connective tissue. While bone broth does contain small amounts of these nutrients, the dose is far too weak to make a real impact. A typical bowl only provides 2 to 3 grams of collagen, nowhere near the 15 grams researchers say older adults need daily to see measurable gains in strength and recovery. And here's the part most people never hear. Store-bought broths are usually boiled for hours at high heat, which destroys the active peptides your body relies on for repair. So instead of fueling recovery, most broths are little more than flavored water. That's why if you want real muscle and joint support, the answer isn't in the bone, it's in an unexpected part of the animal, the forgotten muscle builder. It's called gelatin-rich, slow-cooked skin, specifically from chicken and fish. Unlike traditional bone broth, this food naturally forms gelatin when cooled, and that gelatin is what actually rebuilds muscle tissue and connective fibers. In one clinical trial, older adults who consumed gelatin daily increased their muscle protein synthesis by over 20%, even without changing their exercise routines. Why? Because gelatin provides whole collagen precursors, not just isolated fragments. But here's what makes it truly powerful. Gelatin binds to water in your muscles, improving hydration, elasticity, and recovery, something plain protein powders can't do. You can make it easily at home. Simmer chicken skin, fish skin, or even turkey wings for 2 to 3 hours with sea salt, turmeric, and a bit of ginger. When cooled, it should form a jelly-like layer. That's your body's natural muscle glue. But there's a reason most people never feel the benefits, and it has nothing to do with collagen at all. Why protein alone fails after 60? Here's a truth that surprises most people. Eating more protein doesn't automatically build more muscle. After age 60, your body's anabolic response, its ability to turn protein into muscle, drops by nearly 30%. That means even if you eat a 100-gram protein diet, much of it goes unused. The missing ingredient? Leucine, an amino acid that activates the switch for muscle growth. Without enough leucine, collagen or protein just passes through your system. Here's where the magic happens. When you combine gelatin-rich foods with leucine-rich foods like eggs, lentils, or even a scoop of Greek yogurt, you reactivate that growth signal. Try this combo breakfast. Warm gelatin broth with 2 boiled eggs. Lunch, collagen soup with lentils or tofu. Dinner, fish skin stew with a side of Greek yogurt dip. It's the synergy between collagen and leucine that tells your body, hey, it's time to rebuild. And there's one more nutrient that decides whether your body uses that collagen or throws it away. The vitamin that makes or breaks muscle growth. Most people focus on protein and forget the spark plug of muscle repair. Vitamin C. Vitamin C doesn't just boost immunity. It's required to convert collagen into usable tissue. Without it, all that expensive broth and protein powder go to waste. In one study from the University of East Anglia, adults with higher vitamin C levels had up to 50% greater muscle mass than those with deficiencies. The best part? You don't need supplements. Just add half a lemon or a few slices of kiwi or bell pepper to your meals. That small addition triples collagen absorption. So, a simple combo like chicken skin gelatin soup with lemon juice can outperform any bone broth or protein shake on the market. But even this combo won't work if you're unknowingly eating these 3 muscle-killing foods right after the 3 foods that destroy collagen. You might be doing everything right, but if you're pairing your collagen foods with these everyday ingredients, you're actually reversing your progress. 1. White bread and white rice. Refined carbs spike blood sugar, which blocks collagen absorption and floods your muscles with inflammation. Swap them for quinoa or sweet potatoes. Both help stabilize blood sugar and keep collagen active longer. 2. Processed meats, like bacon. They contain nitrates and phosphates that react with amino acids in collagen, forming toxic byproducts that damage muscle tissue. Replace them with lean turkey or grilled salmon. 3. Alcohol. Even 1 glass of wine can reduce muscle protein synthesis by nearly 40% after collagen intake. Alcohol slows down recovery, weakens your liver's ability to process amino acids, and cancels out your hard work. Avoid these within at least 4 hours of your collagen meal to keep your results intact. Now let's talk about the real reason some people can't rebuild muscle no matter what they eat and how to fix it starting tonight. The sleep-muscle connection. Here's a fact most people never hear from their doctor. You don't build muscle when you're awake. You build it while you sleep. Deep sleep is when your body releases growth hormone, the signal that tells your muscles to repair. But if you're over 60 and struggling to get quality sleep, that repair never happens. A warm cup of gelatin-rich broth before bed can help. The glycine in gelatin lowers core body temperature and improves sleep quality by up to 25%. Better sleep equals faster recovery, stronger muscles, and sharper energy in the morning. Try this bedtime drink. 1 cup warm chicken skin broth, ½ teaspoon turmeric, a squeeze of lemon, optional, pinch of black pepper. Drink it 30 minutes before bed. Your muscles will thank you in the morning. But here's where most people miss the final piece of the puzzle, the one that actually activates these nutrients inside your body, the movement trigger. Even the best nutrition won't rebuild muscle unless your body gets the signal to wake it up. That signal doesn't have to come from heavy weights. It can come from isometric holds or slow, controlled movement. A simple example. Stand near a wall or sturdy surface for support. Slowly rise up onto your toes, lifting your heels as high as you can, and hold that position for a full 10 seconds. Focus on keeping your core tight and your balance steady. Then lower your heels back down in a slow, controlled motion. Repeat this 5 times. This simple move may look easy, but it powerfully targets your calves, ankles, and stabilizing muscles, areas that naturally weaken with age and sarcopenia. Over time, it helps restore lower body strength, improves circulation, and rebuilds your confidence with every step you take. Pairing this kind of movement with gelatin-rich nutrition doubles your muscle-building response. You're literally teaching your body to rebuild, one small hold at a time. You're not losing strength because you're aging, you're losing it because your body's been missing the right fuel. Now, you know exactly how to turn it back on.